Hey everyone, this is DJ Zyrex back at Pro Musicals Chennai and welcome back to my Traktor Basics tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use basic cue points. Let me try to explain you what a cue point actually is. A cue point is like a shortcut to get to a certain part of the song. It allows you to jump straight to that part of the song without having to look for it. Sometimes songs have a really long intro and you might not want to play the whole intro. Now if you want to skip that intro and play the song from where the actual song starts, you can put a cue point at the beginning of the actual song and start playing it directly from that point. I'm going to play the intro of the song now and find out where the intro ends and the actual song starts, so I can put a cue point at the actual beginning of the song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I know where the song starts from. Let's go back to that position and put a cue point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where the actual song starts from. Let's put a cue point here by clicking on cue. You'd notice that there's a small triangle at the bottom. This represents the cue position. Now you can hold cue and the song will keep playing as long as you hold it. The moment you leave the cue button, it will stop the playback and jump back to the same cue position. You can play your song from here, but this cue point is not a permanent cue point, which means the next time I load this track, this cue point won't be there. But I can save this cue point so I can use it every time I want to play this song. To save this cue point as a permanent cue point, click on Store. Now this position will be saved by Traktor. Now you can also assign it to whichever hot cue you want to. Click on Map and then click on an empty hot cue slot to assign it to another hot cue. You can store up to 8 such hot cues, out of which the first 5 can be accessed directly from your keyboard itself. 1 to 5 number keys on your keyboard are assigned to the first 5 hot cues on the first deck, and 6 to 0 number keys are assigned to the first 5 hot cues on the second deck. If you want to add a hot cue directly from your keyboard, you can go to any position in the track and then tap on the respective key. Now if you want to delete this cue point, you can select your cue point and then click on the trash icon. If it is one of the first 5 hot cues which are accessed from the keyboard, you can hold Ctrl and press the desired number keys to delete that hot cue. There are different types of cue points which let you do a lot more than just jumping to different positions in the song. In the next video, let's take a look at different types of cue points. Thank you for watching today. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for our future tutorials and tips and tricks videos.